Hi everyone, welcome to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to get more storage on your iPhone. Maybe your photos or any kind of an application has eaten up your iPhone storage and you're wondering how to get more storage on your iPhone. So this video is exactly for you, since we'll be discussing on what to do if you ever run out of storage on your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. The first method you can work on if you are trying to get more storage on your iPhone is to simply buy more storage. Simply go to your settings on your iPhone, and once you do that, go to your name at the top and tap it on. From this page, tap on iCloud. Tap on Manage Storage at the top. You can simply now tap on the Upgrade button right next to iCloud Storage and choose a plan from the menu. Tap on the suitable one that you'd like to use and tap on Upgrade button at the bottom of the screen. That was one way you can add in more storage on your iPhone. And the next thing to do is to simply go ahead and clean out some of the apps that you no longer use on your iPhone. To remove the apps and free up some spaces, simply hold the application that you want to delete and tap on Remove App from the pop-up menu. Tap on Delete Application in the pop-up once more and tap on Delete in order to confirm your deletion. Just like this, you can delete more of the application that you no longer use on your iPhone, which has been piled up without any kind of a purpose. You can also go to your settings one more time and from your settings menu, tap on your name at the top. Now, tap on iCloud at the bottom. Tap on Manage Storage right under iCloud. Select any kind of an application that you don't need anymore and tap on Delete Documents and Data. Tap on Delete one more time in order to confirm your selection. And that way you can get rid of more applications that you don't use from your iPhone. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you are trying to get more storage on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.